What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today guys, we'll be spraying the inside of the panels. Once we've done that, we're going to put the panels back in the car, and take the car down to the spray booth and get the outside painted as well.
Painted all the panels from inside. We put 2 coats on. It's synced in really nice. I put 3 coats on to be on the safe side on the B post. The final stage is to put the lacquer on now.
Guys, so all the panels are painted now. What we can do is let them dry overnight, and then we'll return tomorrow and reassemble the panels, get them back onto the car, and if you get time, we'll take it straight down to the spray booth. If not, the following day we'll take it down and get the car sprayed.
We can start removing the masking. Once the masking's been removed, we'll start building back up the doors and also start putting the stuff back in the bonnet. So yeah, we'll start by removing the masking. So now that T's finished off building the doors back up, we're going to start fitting the insides of the panels. Get the seat belt back in as well, and the side panels here, and around the front as well. We've got to get these pins out as well, because they've got to go back onto the cover. We've also fitted the bonnet as well. Yeah.
If you guys remember the hinges that we had, the same ones.
They've actually pushed back.
They were pushed back,
so when you
yeah.
put the bonnet on, it didn't line up with that wing there. So we lifted it forward slightly, but to get a proper alignment, we'll have to get this side wing on as well.
There you go. So once that wing's done, we'll get the alignment sorted out because both wings are pushed back. So we need to get that sorted. So right now we're going to get the plastics done, get them in the car. Once that's all done, we'll work our way to the front and start on the hinges, get the alignment sorted out. Guys, if you remember, this plastic piece here was pushed in from the impact. So we applied a bit of heat on there and we've popped it back out and it's taken shape really well. So we're happy with that. That's one problem out the way. So yeah guys, we're going to carry on with the inside bits, get all the plastic panels in. The B post, we're going to get all the plastic panels that run across the B post, get the seatbelt in before obviously, get the door sill badge covers on there, get them plugged in, then get the plastic casing back onto the car. Once that's done guys, we're going to work our way to the front, get the bonnet adjustment sorted out. Guys, so now that we have all the interior plastics fitted in, what we're going to do is we're going to put the doors on and get the alignment sorted out. But before that, in case you're wondering where the quad bikes come out from, one of our friends has brought his quad bike down. It's in for a repair. I think the exhaust is leaking. So yeah, it doesn't belong to us, it belongs to a friend in case you're wondering.
Yeah, it's got a leak right here. It's leaking from right here. Someone's done a weld on it. This is a poor weld. So we're going to do a proper weld on that and get him back on the road.
Guys, if you want to see us do a rebuild project on quad bike, let us know down below. And also let us know what quad bike you want to see. This is a Raptor 500, is it?
It's a 450R.
A 450R Raptor.
Yeah.
If you want to see us rebuild one of these, let us know down below. We'll get one.
Yeah, we could do something like a turbo build. Put a mini like turbo on it or something. Do something crazy.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to crack on with the doors now. We're going to put them on the car and get the alignment sorted out. We want to get this car ready for paint now. We want to paint the outside of the panels.
Yeah, we need to get the doors on. Once the doors are on, the fender's been aligned and everything, bonnet's been aligned, we start scotching it down and getting it ready for the paint shop.
Yeah, because we want to get this car on the road as soon as possible. So yeah guys, so we're going to start cracking on with the doors now. We're going to get them onto the car, get the alignment sorted out. Guys, so we have the doors on the car now. Z and Hamza are going to finish off the alignment. Once they've done that, they're going to get the wing on, get the bumper on as well, and get the car ready for the spray booth. So guys, it is the next day and we've got all the panels on now, apart from the bumper. We haven't put the bumper on because we will be spraying that separately. That way you get a better finish. So what we're going to do is, we're going to start scotching down all the panels that need to be painted. That also includes the core panels. Even though it doesn't need painting, what we're going to do is scotch it down. So we can blend into it, that way you get a much better finish. So we're going to have to take the tail light out and mask off around this section here. Guys, so Z is basically wiping down all the panels. He's getting rid of any dirt that will be embedded in the paint. Once he's done that, we can start scotching it down. So as you can see, he's masked off the trims. That's because we don't want to get them scratched up, so it's best to mask them off. And if you come around this way, you'll see the door card has come off. And that's because what we're going to do is remove the mirror as well. I think he's already removed the mirror. Yeah, he's taken it off already. So we're gonna basically blend into the driver's side door. So you're gonna have the new paint blending into the original paint. So that way you won't have a blend line. Guys, so we just scotched down the panels. As you can see, we've got rid of the shine. Now we're down to this matte colour. The paint will stick better. We've still got the bonnet, the bumper, and the wing left, and the driver's side door as well. So guys, we set up the recovery truck. We're gonna get the car out onto the truck, head straight down to the booth, get the car prepped and ready for paint. Guys, so we made it to the spray booth. We're just gonna unload the car, take it straight in, get it all prepped for paint, and then hopefully get the car painted. Guys, so we've got the car into the spray booth, and now what we're going to do is mask it all off. Anything we're not going to paint, we're going to get it covered up. The panels that we will be painting, we're going to give them a final clean. Once that's done, Z's going to get the car sprayed up. Once it's been sprayed up, we're going to leave the car in here for about 15 minutes. We're going to let the car bake. This spray booth doesn't have a heating system. The top 2 panels there, they give off a lot of heat. So the heat's going to basically bake the car and let the paint settle in and dry up a lot quicker than usual. Guys, so we've got the car all masked off, so what we're going to do now is give it one final clean. Once we've done that, we're going to mix the paint and get the car all sprayed up.
Guys, we're just tack racking the panels now. They've been panel wiped. We're just going to tack it to get any like loose dust off the surface. Once that's been done, we'll start painting. We've panel wiped all the panels down, and we've tack racked them down as well to get any loose dust that's still on the surface. Now we can start putting the paint on. So we've used up all the first coat, we just mixed our second coat now, so we can go ahead and throw it on. So we just mixed our third coat of paint now. Before we put the paint on, we're going to tack all the panels and get all the dust off you. So guys, now that the third coat of the paint's been applied now, we're going to blow the car and tack it, and we'll apply the lacquer. As you can see, I've got another part of lacquer ready here, so when the first part runs out, the next one's ready.
we have the car back in the spray booth now. As you can see, it's all sprayed up now. It's come out really well. It does need cut and polish, but we can do that next video. So we're going to call it a wrap for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe.